Good morning everyone, and welcome back to another video of Driv Drives. Today we're going for a drive in this 2025 Acura MDX Advanced Package. Really comfortable interior here. You have massaging seats, heated front seats, ventilated seats, touchscreen with built-in Google Maps, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, 360-degree camera system with the Advance, of course. You have a redesigned center console, bigger wireless charging tray, or like more space, I mean. You have a little more storage space right there. You have some really nice quilted leather seats. These are the seats that you would find in the 2022 to 2024 MDX Type S. Now the Type S has suede right there to differentiate, but the Advance and A-Spec Advance are going to have these seats. You have some nice Bang & Olufsen speaker grills right here. Beautiful open pore ash burl wood trim. The Advance is really nice, and these are really in high demand. The Advance sells really fast. People want these more so than any other trim. I would say even more than the Type S, just in general. So yeah, they sell quick. It's finished in liquid carbon metallic. It's the same one I got a video on. I got a quick walk around video on, if you've seen that. Really good looking SUV. I like the wheels. Be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Acura in the description below if you'd like to shop for the 2025 MDX. It's nice how for 2025 they made the trim or the molding the same color as the paint, as opposed to being like a gray plastic. It's painted in that color, which makes it look more premium and more seamless. $68,250 is the price on the window sticker. Here are your rear seats, sunshades, heated rear seats with the Advance. Hit this button, you can go to the third row. You have snow, comfort, normal, and sport modes. And you have to use the dynamic mode selector to change the modes. You cannot use the touchscreen. And I really love how the Google Maps is integrated. Look at that. You can have one of the gauges will turn into the Google Map, which is awesome. Google Maps is my favorite navigation service. I don't use Apple Maps really, or Waze. I like Google Maps a lot, and it's amazing how it's integrated right into the system. That's a big thing for me. And this touchscreen is very easy to use. It's very fluid. It's like the one in the Integra, like in terms of like the interface and stuff. Yeah, that's the big thing for me. As I said, the Google Maps thing. I love that. You also have remote start on the key fob, and I love the massage function. That's awesome. Makes the ride more comfortable. I have the massaging on the third setting now. Feels good on my back. Like I'm a huge fan of the Acura MDX. I always have been. If you hit this little button on the right, on the wiper stalk, it'll pull up the camera, but you can only use it at very low speeds or when you're stationary. Can't use it while driving as it'll be a distraction. Ride is very smooth. As I said, I'm loving those massage seats. You have a head-up display. One of my favorite things on the MDX Type S is the massage seat, so I'm glad that Acura brought it over to the Advance and A-Spec Advance, so you don't have to get the highest trim, because the MDX Type S is basically Acura's flagship vehicle right now. It's the most expensive car, I mean, other than the ZDX Type S, but you know, the MDX Type S is the flagship model. That's currently being sold new. And the thing that the pre-facelift Advance didn't was about it was like, it looks just like a tech package other than the wheels. So now for 2025, it's nice how the body trim, the plastic parts on the bottom of the car is body color. That's a really quick way you can tell that it's an Advance. And also the wheels have like better color choice. Before it was just like silver, polished silver kind of, well, not polished, but just silver in general. But now it's pewter gray with the machine finish. It's just a bit more distinctive. And even in the used market, the Advance is very popular. People just really like the Advance package. And for the 2025 model year, like even the regular MDXs, like I feel like the transmission feels snappier, it feels quicker. I'm sure Acura did some tuning changes to make the transmission a bit quicker, because there's like a distinct lag on the pre-facelifted models of this current generation MDX off the line, but these newer ones, the 2025 models, don't really have that lag. It's a little bit more smooth transition between shifts and from a stop, which is what I've noticed. Yes, it's a really, overall, it's just a really nice SUV. It's very smooth. The Advance offers some great features. Massage seats are my favorite in the interior. And the touchscreen's also a big thing. For a facelift, to go from the touchpad to the touchscreen is a pretty big jump for a facelift, so it's good that Acura did that. And the Google Map integration is a huge thing for me. I love Google Maps. I love it. It's so nice being line of sight. It takes over one of the gauges, but it doesn't really matter because you can see the speed in the center. But anyways, that concludes this video. Thank you for watching another video of Dhruv Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below to shop for the 2025 MDX Advance and other Acura products.